Today I'm gonna show you how to add a hover property in your text while using HTML and CSS. So here I do have some text with the heading element. So I added like three H1 elements, and then I added text 1. And so let me just add text 1, 2, and then over here text 3. So let me save it and then see here. So it changes. So the purpose of making this video is to explain how to add hovering property on your text while using CSS. So let's just say that you want a text color to be blue and your background color should be red. So what you're gonna add in your CSS is a class and then hovering property, and then after that whatever associate property to the text you want to add, like color and then background color. So here what I did, for different elements you have to add classes. Let's just say that here's my text 1, so I'm gonna apply class. Whatever class you want you can apply. It's always up to you, whatever you are comfortable with. So I have added an I1 over here, and then while styling I added an I1 up here, and then hovering property and then color. So due to this I get a red color in the background and blue color in the front. So let's just try with the text 2, and I want a background color to be green. So what I'm gonna do, let's just start it. So within my style element, because I'm embedding style inside HTML page, so that's why I added these style elements. So I'm gonna add the class name for for my text 2, which is in the heading 1 section. So my class would be period ni2, and then I'm gonna add hovering property, which starts from colon and then hover, and then I'm gonna add brackets according to CSS rule, and then inside I want whatever I want the color I'm gonna place in. So let's just say I want color to be green, so my text color would change into green color, and I want my background color, let's just say I want yellow color in the back. Sorry about that. Yeah, here we go, yellow. Let's just save it and see those results now. I refresh my page and you see that my background color got yellow and my text color got green. So this is how we add a hovering property in HTML and CSS, and this is kind of very useful when you're creating websites. So I hope you like the video, and make sure you subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye guys.